Hello everyone, welcome to another Taylor's Dollhouse video. Today we will be unboxing the Our Generation Schoolroom Science Lab. It comes with one apron, one pair of gloves, one skeleton model, one stand, one rolling cart, one functional Bunsen burner, one flask, one beaker, one Florence flask, one functional microscope, one tube stand, one pair of glasses, two files, one bottle with crystals, one paper ball pipette, one measuring spoon, one molecule model, one pencil, one marker with lid, two copybooks, and one textbook, and a periodic table chart. Thank you for stopping by at Taylor's Dollhouse. Make sure to come again and like and subscribe. Bye!